Today, we're drawing SpongeBob spatula. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. Hey friends, let's start with the first big eye. Draw a tall, round curve and leave a small opening near the bottom. Now continue from the inside edge and draw the other big eye right beside it. Keep both eyes close together in the middle. Inside the first eye, draw a smaller circle. Then add a dark round pupil in the center. Nice and simple. Do the same thing inside the other eye. Draw the small circle first, then color in the round pupil. Now the face is starting to wake up. Add 3 short eyelashes on top of one eye. Make them quick little lines pointing upward. Then add 3 more eyelashes on top of the other eye. Keep them light, short, and fun. From the area between the eyes, draw the long nose curving outward, then bring it back in with a soft, rounded end. Now add a small, round cheek under the first eye. This little cheek will help us connect the big smile. Starting from that cheek, pull a long, curved smile across the face. Stretch it nice and wide, because this smile needs lots of energy. From the corner of the smile, continue the line downward in a big curve, then bring it back up to make the open mouth shape. Add 2 square teeth hanging down from the top of the smile. Keep them simple and side by side. Inside the mouth, draw a soft curved line for the tongue. Add 1 small curve in the middle to split the tongue shape. Finally, add a few tiny freckles on the cheek and a small wavy chin line underneath. Great job! The face is done. Let's build the outer shape of the head. Start on the left side and draw a long wavy line downward. Keep the edge soft and bumpy, not straight. From the top of that line, continue across and draw the top edge. Use gentle little waves all the way over. Now curve down to make the other side of the head. Match the same wavy feel so the shape stays nice and spongy. Close the shape with the bottom edge. Draw 1 more wavy line underneath the face to complete the front of the head. Now add the sponge holes. Draw a mix of big and small oval shapes around the face. Spread them out so the design feels balanced and playful. To give the head some thickness, go back to the top left corner and draw a second wavy line curving out behind it. Bring that line down for the back edge. Then add a short little line at the bottom to suggest the side panel. Great! The head looks nice and solid now. Let's move to the right arm now. Start by adding a small sleeve coming out from the side of the body. From that sleeve, pull a long curved line outward and down to make the lower edge of the arm. Keep it smooth and relaxed. Now go back to the sleeve and draw the upper edge of the arm. Bring it out toward the hand so the arm looks like a soft curved tube. At the end of the arm, begin the hand with a small curved shape. This first little hook will help us build the grip. Add the next finger shape, then another rounded bump beside it. build the hand one small section at a time. Keep going and close the grip so it looks like the fingers are wrapping around something. Now the hand is ready to hold the handle. Draw the handle straight up through the hand. Keep it simple and narrow, like a clean little rectangle. From the top of the handle, add 2 short lines going up to begin the neck of the spatula. Now open that shape outward and draw the wide spatula head. Make it broader at the top with a slight angle along the sides. Finally, add 2 long slots inside the spatula. Great job! The arm and spatula are all set. Let's draw the other arm now. Start from the sleeve on the other side. And pull 2 long lines outward to make the arm. Keep it slim and slightly angled. Now add the thumb popping up on top. Give it a rounded shape so the hand feels friendly and open. From there, stretch the fingers out to the side. Draw them as smooth, rounded shapes, like a simple cartoon wave. Finish by adding the little separations between the fingers, then close the bottom of the hand back into the arm. Awesome! That open hand looks great! Let's build the body underneath the head. Start from the lower edge and draw straight down, then across, and back up to make a simple box shape. Now add the side of that box to give the body some thickness. Just use a short side edge and connect it neatly at the bottom. From the middle under the wavy edge, draw the tie first. Start with a small knot, then bring the lines down into a neat, diamond-like shape. Now add the shirt collar around the top of the tie. Draw 1 small pointed flap on one side, then add the other flap beside it. Draw a long horizontal line across the body to make the waistband area. Let it wrap nicely across the front and side. Finish with a few small rectangle details along that band. Great job! Now the body is looking clean, boxy, and fully dressed. Let's start the legs with the first shorts opening under the body. Draw a short, rounded shape hanging down. From that shape, draw the first leg straight down. Keep it thin and simple, like a narrow little tube. Add a small band near the bottom for the sock area. Just a tiny extra section will do the job. Now draw the first shoe. Make it nice and rounded, with a big, soft cartoon shape so it feels fun and bouncy. Next, move over to the other shorts opening. Draw that one hanging down too, but angle it a little more to set up the lifted leg. From there, draw the other leg coming down at an angle. Keep it slim and let it lean outward. Add the little sock section near the bottom just like the first leg. Finish with the other shoe. Draw it bigger and turned outward, then add a small curved line for the front sole. Awesome! Both legs are done! And boom! Look at that! I love how this turned out. If you had fun, smash that like button and subscribe for more drawings. See you next time!